After all this time, I might have actually found it. Hey guys, it's Steve from Scooter King, and I might have actually found it. The best overall scooter riding jacket I've tried so far. Now straight up, I had to buy this jacket just like everybody else, so this isn't a sponsored video. This is just my honest opinion, having used this over a lot of different circumstances. And so far, honestly, this has been the best balance of things like safety, overall rider comfort, and all year long riding durability. So I've owned a bunch of scooter riding jackets over the years. I've owned a huge variety of them. I've ridden with no jackets and just pads, jackets with pads built in, incredibly lightweight jackets with pads, wind-resistant jacket with pads, really bulky jackets with pads, all leather riding jackets, all leather biker jackets. But this is the first rider jacket that I've had that really balances rider style and comfort with safety and protection. It has CE Level 1 certification armor for both the shoulders and the elbows, as well as the back plate, and a padded waistband for the back that's adjustable as well. But unlike other jackets that I've owned before that offered the same level of protection, this jacket is very comfortable to wear, maybe the most comfortable, and has a very trim and stylish fit. One thing I really do love about this jacket is that we know when you're going, at highway speeds, you're going, 30, 40, 50 miles an hour, it really does block the wind completely. And that is such a big deal when it comes to overall ride comfort. If you really want to be comfortable, especially on cooler days, you have to get control over the wind. And if you're wearing a jacket that's got a lighter denier weave, it sneaks through and it just creeps into every little part. So if you really want to be comfortable at highway speeds, really think about getting a jacket that truly is windproof. Overall packaging of the jacket is pretty well thought out and comes with some basic information about the jacket itself and some branding, but the first impressions are the jacket's really well made. I mean, that's really the thing that strikes you. And the CE1 level armor that's included is really stout and well matched for the jacket itself. The sealed front zipper and the lower protection snap plate, as well as the front pockets and covered zippers, do a great job of blocking out the wind. And the included liner is really, really nice and plush. It's held in place by two snap plates at the end of each one of the arms, and then the entire thing just zips out. If you need a spring and summer jacket, it pulls out, but it's great quality, and it's nice to see this in a jacket in this price category. And having these so easy to remove makes this really truly an all-weather jacket for sure. The interior of the jacket is a super lightweight mesh. So in the spring and summer months, very comfortable to ride in. And this is also where the back armor plate goes in, and it's just held in there by this mesh compartment. And it's just Velcroed into place here and fits really comfortably while you're riding, especially with the liner in. So in colder months, this is a great combination for sure. The back of the jacket comes with some reflective reinforcement strapping here, as well as padding on the back on the lower portion of it around the waistline. This is adjustable with zippers, so you can expand or contract it as needed. And in addition, you also have adjustability with some Velcro tightening straps here as well. So lots of adjustment options for just about any size rider, and really overall just a nice, trim and stylish design that's really been well thought out. You've got two different sizes of CE Level 1 rider armor protection. The larger ones go in the elbow protection area, and the smaller cap size ones go in the shoulder cap area here. And these are really well sized for the compartments themselves. They zipper straight into place, but in addition, they're reinforced here around the edges with rivets. This sort of system, combined with the really tight denier weave fabric, helps these slide on surfaces instead of grip the surfaces like foam pads do. All the pads are a really easy install and they zip close with a very secure fitting. And there's a lot of adjustment here as well. These snap adjustment features here allow this to be really snug on your arm. So a lot of adjustability for different rider sizes. I think one of the other things too is that most jackets honestly are fine when you're going low speeds. You know, if you're going 20, 25, even 30 miles an hour, most jackets are pretty comfortable. Where the jacket really makes a difference is when you start getting up into higher speeds. Once you get up into like 35 and 40 and 45 and 50 and even higher, things start to make a much bigger difference in the way the jacket performs. And whether or not it's truly weather resistant or specifically wind resistant, that's a much bigger deal for sure. And you really notice that immediately once you get up to high speed. Now, obviously there are complete professional motocross chest plate and armor systems out there that offer more protection, but at significantly higher prices. I think Borleni's done a great job here at balancing a medium weight and protection system that doesn't sacrifice safety, but is high on ride comfort and style. It looks like $1 million, it fits great, and it truly is an all-weather jacket that's comfortable to ride in just about every condition. If you're looking for a great scooter jacket, then I think you should give this a look as it checks an awful lot of boxes. Hey, thanks for hanging out, guys. I appreciate it. If this was helpful in any way, please hit the subscription and notification bells. It helps keep a young channel like this going and growing. Get out, rip it up, have fun. We'll catch you guys in the next video.